Okay, in this video, I will going to record a explanation for the final exam. So I start with number one, prove the induction that a power 2 and power n minus 1 is divided by 2 power n plus 1 for all n belong to z. So number one, let 2 of power n plus 2 and a power 2n minus 1 for all n belong to Z. So in this provenance, we have to prove two step, which is basic step and inductive step. So for the basic step, we start with n equal to 0. So we have 2 power 0 plus 2, which is 2 power 2 equal to 4 as even integer. And a power 2 n minus 1 equal to a minus 1, and a is an odd integer, so let a equal to 2k plus 1 for all b belong to a real number. Then a minus 1 equal to 2b plus 1 minus 1 equal to b, which is evens. Then a minus 1 equal to b is divisible by 4 because it evens. And then let's assume that it's true. So this so that is a power 2, 2 minus 1 is divided by 2 power k plus 2. And then for the inductive step, we need to show that a is by con k, a power k plus 1 minus 1 is divided by 2 power k plus 3. So we have like two small steps in this step, which is 4.1. 2 power k plus 3 is 2 is even integer, which is by basic algebra. So since that 2k plus 3 is is even, when we do minus 1, a is an integer. When we do minus 1, so the whole is even number. So since both 2k plus 1 and 2k plus 1 um I mean 2k power 2 power k plus 1 minus 1 are even integer, therefore a power 2k plus 1 minus 1 is divided by 2 power k plus 3 is true. So therefore that 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 a power 2n and minus 1 is divided by 2 power n plus 2. Now let's move to a question 4, which is asked to ask for how many ways can the tournaments be complete. So we given that A won for the first two games, so we can come up with two possible ways, which is it can A win the match and B win the match. For A win the match, we can have like 10, as you can see the explanation here, and we have 4 with 0 and 4 with 1, which is 2, 4 with 2, 3, 4, 2, 3 is 4, and then we uh, do the addition to it equal to 10, and also uh, B can win the game as 5. So the total way to complete the tournament is 10 plus 5, which is 15. Okay, now let's move to compute the following case. So since the sigma A start with 3, so we have F3 plus F4 and this production is start with 6, so it F6 over 4. Since F3 equal to 2, F4 equal to 3, and F6 equal to 8, so we do the compute and equal to 5. And the question H given the relation you are asked to match the relation to their correct definition. So I did all like correct exclude n. So n is general function because based on, as we see in the diagram, based on the definition, a general function is a rule that assigns each input from one set to exactly one output from another set. So based on this definition, we can make a conclusion that n is a general function. And then now let's move to question 9, which is the probability. So one, they ask for how many possible outcomes are there. So the possible outcome is 27 because there are 3 unique colors on die and each row have 3 possible outcomes. So the answer is 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 27. And then for 2, all 3 rows product different color. So the total outcome where all the 3 product different color is 3 times 2 times 1 is 6. It's because there are 3 choice for the first row there are 3 choice, and the second row there are 2 choice, and the third row only 1 choice. So we can have 6. So to calculate the probability, we have 6 over 27, which is 22.2%. And number 3, even 2 of the color that appear first are the same. The identifier as having is 18 outcomes. This is because there are 3 ways to choose the color that appear twice, and for each choice, there are 3 ways to arrange the color, given the 3 times 3 outcome per choice. So it can be 2 times 9 equal to 18 outcome in total way. 2 color are the same. So to calculate the probability is 18 over 27, which is 66.7%.